Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and today guys is a day in the life of what it is like to own one of these little whippets, one of these cars, and a Abarth 595 Turismo. And upon looking back at my car right there, I just realized guys, I've been dipping this thing in the mud somewhere. Naughty, naughty, naughty. Anyways guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to show you guys what it's like, what it sounds like, what it drives like, POV experience, and the dash cam footage. So I hope you guys are going to stick around. I'm currently at Tesco's. Stick around to see how the hell I ended up here on my journey. Let's go. Yeah. You literally the head cam on, put the strap on. It's extremely windy today guys, so hopefully the camera doesn't get too blurred out. It's quite cold. You're welcome. I met Darren, obviously one of the guys that's in our community, and he was just saying how appreciative he is of the exhaust recommendation, the Toyo catback. Yeah, the Toyo catback exhaust system. He fitted it on his car. He was very, very happy. So far guys, that's 2 people I'm aware of that have gotten the exhaust because of my video, Daisy and Darren. And if there is anybody else in the community who's looked at it or bought one, let me know. I would love to know if I've had an influence on that, you know. As you can hear, it sounds juicy. Lekker maar bro, lekker. You know when you get those chills. Nearly stalled over there. Thank you very much. Nice piece of open road. The day in the life of owning an Abarth, guys. Massive hole. The most of this weather, guys, before it is gone, because who knows, this is England, the weather changes like this. Let's go this way. Guys, by the way, I want to show you something, right? This is something I learned by default. So you know when you're driving and you that was a Cupra. You know when you're driving, right? Oh, hang on. Alright guys, so listen up. Okay, that's the seat belt for when you have pissed the car off and driven around without the seat belt in. Sometimes, like, I'm just literally going around the corner, I'm like, I wish this thing could just keep quiet. So if you are doing that, guys, I don't advise driving around without a seatbelt, but what I'm saying is if you're literally like moving your car from that driveway to that driveway, there is one way to stop it, and I only learned this recently. If you literally, and problem solved. So if you stick your car into reverse, you pretty much reset that whole thing. You're welcome.
so serious? Run for your life, cause it might get hideous. Why so serious? Change, can you swear some? Never mind, I forgot where I came from. Like wolves in the darkness, we've adapted to blindness. Fall asleep with the sirens out. There's blood on my
And I just thought I'd mix it up, guys. We're gonna do a little bit of a POV style in amongst the daily vlog of what it is like to own an Abarth 595 Turismo. It's usually an Abarth, the red one that lives up here, guys. Let's see if we can spot them, although it's during the day, so probably not. They usually live just up here. Oh, that's not a house, never mind. I think it's this one here. Oh, G-Wagon. Yeah, that's usually parked here by the silver car, guys. Usually. Not there today. Alright, guys, we're going back through the town. I have put the head cam on, put the strap on. Give you a different experience. Let's go. Oh my word, this looks like chaos. For those of you who've reached out to me on Instagram, you will know that, like, I'm more than happy to disclose where I am, where I'm based. It's only those whom I trust that I will disclose that information to. Anyways, enough talking, let's listen. Some serious looking people. Car check. You only drive past the mirror to check what your car looks like. Lacquer my mirror. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ready? Yeah, boy. Very nice. Giving them some space, guys, so I can give you some music to your ears. I don't want to scare the old people. Thank you to Mark, thank you to Darren and to Henry for, again, for those of you who saw the video, for coming up to me and saying hello over the weekend. It was awesome to meet you guys, and I hope from the back end of that we can start planning and arranging our very own meets. That's my intention anyways as Sprocket of Abarth. That's what I would like to do, guys. I want to build a community of my own people, and without even realizing it, up until the weekend I didn't realize just how, you know, what I'm creating essentially, which is quite quite astounding and a bit of a shock, to be honest, because, you know, it's hard when it's, you know, it's numbers on a screen and you don't quite fathom and justify, you know, how big it is, a thing that you're doing. So yeah, really huge eye-opener for me, guys, and just so grateful to have every single one of you. You know, I've got so many good people in the community, and you guys are also supportive, and this is exactly what I want to create, guys. I don't want to be those car enthusiasts who, you know, have horrible things to say about each other's cars, or feel the need to, you know, hate on other people just because they have a certain car. There's none of that here. None of that here. We just want to cultivate the best community ever, and we're going to achieve that. And it doesn't just mean in person, guys. That can also be like globally. This is my goal, guys, is I want to start a group of car enthusiasts, a safe place where we can all like express ourselves, where we can share the cars we have, the things we're passionate about, and we don't have to feel like someone's going to grill us for it. So I want to create that safe place for each and every single one of you guys. So I hope you want to be a part of it as much as I want you guys to be a part of it. So just bear with me because I'm busy working on some things in the background. I'm always working on things, guys. And yeah, thank you to those of you who've stuck around for this long. I know some of you have been there from literally day one, and a lot of people I probably don't even know, because when you get subscribers on YouTube, sometimes you don't know who's subscribed. It doesn't tell you, and yeah, you could just literally be anyone, and I never really know. And especially if people don't comment, I won't know your name and stuff. So I like to learn who's in the community. So yes, guys, this is all new to me, and yeah, so forgive me if I forget someone's name, or it's just all new to me. There's lots to take on board, but very, very exciting, guys. Very. So we're gonna go pick up some food. This wind today is something else, guys. Absolutely something else. Oh yes, guys, before I forget, for those of you who are somewhat local to Tully's farm, of course those of you who are across the globe in other countries, it's probably not so applicable to you guys. However, you guys will see the content from this. As always, I'll try my best to bring you guys the content. But there is another meet this weekend at Tully's farm. I think it's the 2nd of February, which, if I'm not mistaken, is a Sunday. So yes, hopefully I'm going to see some more of you guys there. I'm pretty sure Mark will maybe be there, Henry, Darren, hopefully. So yeah, bro, as we would say from Durban. Yeah, bro. 2nd of Feb, Tully's farm. Be there or be square, so they say. Everyone's waiting. I'm just gonna go. Woo! What a fun car to drive, guys, eh? What a fun car. Alright, guys, we are approaching Tesco's to do the monthly shop. I mean, I'm almost quite tempted to take you guys in there with me, but that's probably quite weird. I mean, I'd happily do it. Tell me if you guys want me to take you with to the store next time. That could be quite fun, to be honest. Could be quite a fun experience. Anyways, I'll leave it for you guys to say yes or no to. Oh, that is very skew. Oh, really bad reverse park on my behalf. Let's just, shall we just do that again quickly whilst no one's looking? Let's just, yep. She good. I think we're close. Alrighty, guys, I'm hoping that you can still hear this, but I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching this video, this vlog style of what it is like to own an Abarth 595 Turismo. This is a 2018 model, 165 horsepower. Guys, as always, stay locked in. Please make sure to hit a like and a subscribe if you haven't done so already. I really appreciate you guys watching. See you in the next video. Lekker, bye.